Good morning. My name is Amy from Camping Companions. Along with my husband Kevin, we are longtime campers from Western New York, and this morning we're making sausage gravy and biscuits. First, we're going to start by opening up these biscuits and laying them out on a cookie sheet and putting them in the toaster oven. Have I mentioned I hate opening these things? Oh, scares me every time. So we're going to spray down our cookie sheet first so that the biscuits don't stick. So then we're going to put them in the toaster oven at 350, and we're just going to keep an eye on them because I took the label off the biscuit maker and I don't know how many minutes we're supposed to put them in there for. Next, we're going to brown up some sausage in our outdoor kitchen.
When lighting the stove in the outdoor kitchen, always make sure you've turned your propane onto it. That's a helpful tip. Made that mistake before. And then just lighter on it. This is a recipe even I can make by myself. And if you know anything about me, I am not the best cook. So from here, once the sausage is browned, it's pretty much eyeballing a little bit because everybody likes their sausage gravy a little bit different. I like mine thicker, some might like it thinner. And you just start with a little bit of flour. You use the juices from the sausage to kind of thicken that up a little bit to start with. So just, that was maybe a quarter of a cup, a third of a cup of flour. And it gets a little bit thick. And you just kind of add a little bit more as you go. So we're about a half at the moment, half a cup of flour. And now you get the sausage kind of coated. Looks a little bit like, you know, frosted sausage, I guess. And now you can start adding a little bit of milk as you go. So give it a little bit more flour here. And a little bit of milk. And again, you just eyeball it, kind of give it a little bit of everything here. And you add more milk, add more flour as you go to get the right thickness that you're looking for. Like I said, with me, I like it thicker, you know, get nice big clumps of gravy on your biscuits. And as you see, as you start stirring it up here, it's thickening up really nice. You're gonna get a little bit more flour and milk in there because this isn't enough gravy. You want to make sure you got some good juice in there too. Make sure you stir it around pretty good too, because you don't want to get a bite of gravy when you're eating this with a big hunk of flour in the middle of it. Blah. And just kind of keep mixing and incorporating the flour and milk together so you don't have, you know, too much liquid milk, too much powdered flour. It's all got to be mixed together, and this is actually really thick, so I'm going to add a little bit more milk here. Like I said, there's no measurement. It's just eyeballing it. How do you like your sausage gravy? This is looking really good to me. Just gotta heat it a little bit more to soak up some of the milk I just poured in, and we should be all set once the biscuits are done.
Biscuits are looking really good. A few more minutes, I think. The biscuits look about done. So we're gonna take them out. Nice and golden. I put 2 biscuits per plate, split them open in half, and then we'll pour the gravy on. Right, Kevin likes it thick, so that's what it is. Kevin likes his thick, but don't be afraid to put some more milk in there to thin it out for the people that don't like it as thick.
This is my favorite.